Good morning, everybody. It is 6:36 in the morning. It's going to be hot today again here in Florida. And we're going to tinker around to try to our first little step of working on our bass boat. Today, if I can manage to, I want to take these old tail lights and the wiring off of this thing. And that's about all I'm going to aim for. Call it a success, if you will. I've got a variety of shit here. I couldn't find my real wire cutters. I've got these tiny little bastards I'm going to try. I don't know. I've got this as a backup. And a bunch of different little wrenches. See which one of these wrenches fits this damn thing. And I think there's two bolts. Two bolts on each one. Up under here. In here. I believe there's two bolts. Two nuts. Yeah, there is up in here. I'm not sure what size. Well, hell, it's this size. What is this? 10 millimeter, right off the fucking bat. Look at that, folks. This shouldn't be too hard for that. Hopefully. Hard little pecker to reach. Okay. There's you. Okay, now don't confuse yourself, BLG. Put these other ones up in the boat. Or here, the fender looks good. That'll work. Let's hit this one here. This might be quick work if I can do it right. Hit this one here, I said. Where is it? That's not it, is it? I can't see it. I gotta try to go in from underneath, I guess. Where the fuck are you, you little bastard? I still can't see. Get my glasses off. Turn my hat around. Where are you, you little prick? It's up here. There we go. Get up on there when I say to get up on there. No? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Just got to get it to where I can finger loose it. Come on, bitch. You can do this. Maybe not. Keep getting shit in my eyes, but I can't have anything on my eyes or I can't see this fucking close. You dig it? Okay, I got it loose. Let's see if I can get something working here. It looks like I might be able to. Come on, there we go. Hey! Boink! Alright. Now as far as these guys are concerned, the dangler here. The dangler, that's what I wanted to try my wire cutters on. See if I can stand up. Just give you the poochy snots right here. Hey, the little bastard cut it. Look at this. One light down. There she be, and there's the wires. Okay. So, I've got all new lights. As you can tell, these ones are pretty shot. I don't even know if their lights are going to work because it's all aluminum trailer. I gotta figure that out too on the fly. I've only wired steel. Look at this shit. They got on this side over here. They ran an extra ground off of this light. Hooked it up to here. I may be doing the same. I don't know. Let's see. This bolt here is already finger tight. So I can already take one of these little nuts off of here. Little bastards. See? Oh, okay. Thank you. There's a washer. Where's this other little prick? See, that's another part of the problem with these lights. I don't think these were even tight enough to ground, you know what I mean? Properly to begin with. Am I turning anything? It feels like it, but I don't know. I'm spraying and praying, folks. I'm spraying and praying. Yeah, I am. Look at this. Shit, that ain't taking long. Look at that smirk. Yuck. Okay. Well, let's zap this one off. We'll cut you here. And we'll cut this one above this here. And there's one other light down. Okay. I'm noticing this U-bolt here thing is loose. I don't know if that's good or bad. Fuck, I couldn't tell you. And then these, I don't know if they'll just pull through, or if I gotta crawl under here and cut every one of these little fucking wire ties that's under this boat. But we'll find out here real quick. Set this all up here. I don't need that now. I might need this. I'll come back to it. Fog machine. And let's see if I can pull wires from the front. Might be able to, might not. Let's see what we get. I can put my glasses back on. I look weird without my glasses. Got little squinty eyes and shit. Even with my glasses, I look weird. Who am I fooling? Okay, here's one. Can I pull these out of here? Yes. I can pull all that out of there. Here's the other rack. That is tight as fuck. But this rack, this side over here, I think I can just pull out of here. If I can get a hold of it. Get a hold of it, BLG. Get a hold of it. Pull out of there. Nice. Okay. And that's going up and under through another one here, I think. Yep. I know, I'm not showing you much. I have a whole new kit inside. And what the hell's holding, well, where does this go from here? Is it just coming out? No, it seems to be. Or did I just stick it? I'm not seeing anything going down here. Where is this going to? I don't know. Something's going on. Let me see if I can set you down here. I can't figure out what's going on here. It's going to somewhere where I can't reach, which is really strange. It's feeding through the frame. It's feeding through this part of the frame, I think. Okay. We're getting there. Come on. Okay. Got you to there, bitch. That's everything to here now. It is. Let's see if I can set here. Probably not. Now I'm pulling it up through over here, if I can. Okay. They had this fucking thing way too short to begin with. This thing here, the lights. What is so tight on this now that it won't move? And something in the back. So something back here is really tight. I'm not sure what it is. These are going through a clip. I got you. See this clip? That's the problem. I don't want this clip. Not right now. This clip here is holding them. I think. Go try to pull again. Put that up there. Get off of the boat. Get off the boat, baby. Now will they move? Oh yeah, here we go. Now we're talking. Let's pull this wiring here. At least up to here, because it doesn't want to go through here. Oh, that's the wrong thing. That's why. Damn it. Pull all this out. See, they tied a big knot in this side. Untie the knot, BLG. Maybe I can. Sure trying. Here we go. Okay. Pull this through here. Like that. Pull it through here. Like this here. Okay. And they tried to ground it to the aluminum on the trailer. I don't get it. You should ground it to the, up here. I'll just pull that off. I don't think that's going to do it. There you go. 1 4-prong plug pulled off. I'll keep this for now, in case we need it. Here we have it. Trailer lights off of the boat. I shall slap them in a junk pile. And throw this up here. I got all kinds of crap going on here. We'll throw these in the junk pile, put those away, and that's going to do it for today, folks. Whew. I got the new ones. I'll get them running. We'll try to see if we can get them going next episode when we work on the boot. The boat. So anyways, the plans are I'm going to turn this into a tiller. Put a tiller motor here. I may be trimming a bunch of this shit out. Moving the seats back. See what I mean? So, yeah, that'll be interesting. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the little episode. It wasn't much. But I'll catch you in the next episode, folks. Hit the little likes. Hit the little subscribe for me. We're getting there, climbing fast, and we're doing good. So let's just keep subscribing and sharing and liking. For Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG. I am Lefty. I am Righty. Till the next time, folks. Peace out. Just peace. Tear. Oh, thank God, that's the air conditioner over there coming on. Peace and tear the trailer lights out of your boat. Even if they work, just tear them the fuck out. Who cares? I don't even care if it's a boat trailer, any trailer. Go out and rip your lights off. It's a blast. So anyway, there's a cicada shell on that tire on the motorhome. Right there. Okay. Goodbye. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around.